Here at Nitai Medical and Cosmetic Centre, facials are one of the many treatments we offer. To prepare for the treatment, we double cleanse and exfoliate the skin to remove any excess oil or makeup. We then apply an AHA/BHA mask with steam. The benefits of this mask is to draw out impurities from the skin, exfoliate the skin, and reduce pore obstruction. We then perform a vitamin C infusion using the sonophoresis machine. Sonophoresis allows for a deeper infusion of the serum. To complete the treatment, we apply a moisturiser and sun protectant to all of our patients.